Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 2 on the topic of practicing oral shift. I am repeating, today our topic is oral shift practice. Students, this is our 17th lecture. I'm repeating, this is our 17th lecture. Students, you know that about your oral exam. In your oral exam, teacher will ask you some questions and you have to answer them properly and correctly. So, if you have your oral sheet with you right now, take your oral sheet. We'll practice from your oral sheet. So let's begin. Our first question is, what is adverb? Adverb is a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb or other adverb or a word group expressing a relation of a place, time, manner, degree, etc. I'm repeating. Adverb is a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb or other adverb or a word group expressing a relation of a place, time, manner, degree, etc. Number 2, change the adjectives into adverb. The words are soft, slow, neat, loud, quick. Students, here teacher will ask you to say the adverb of these words. You have to add ly at the end of these words, and then the adverb will be slow, soft will be softly, slow, slowly, neat, neatly, loud, loudly, quick, quickly. Look here, at the end of all these words we add ly, and here we find the words of adverb. Now question number 3, what is simple present tense? When an action happens regularly, it is called simple present tense. I'm repeating, what is simple present tense? When an action happens regularly, it is called simple present tense. Question number 4, give an example of simple present tense. I'm repeating, give an example of simple present tense. The answer is the sun shines in the sky. I'm repeating, the sun shines in the sky. Number 5, what is present continuous tense? I'm repeating, what is present continuous tense? An action or condition which is happening now or going to be continued in the future is called present continuous tense. I'm repeating, an action or condition which is happening now or going to be continued in the future is called present continuous tense. Now number 6, say the ing form of these words. These words are work, put, live, dance, run. So with these words you have to add ing at the end of these words. So our given words are work, put, live, dance, run. So if we add ing at the end of these words, we'll find work, working, put, putting, live, living, dance, dancing, run, running. Now question number 7, what is simple past tense? Actions that happen before now, that is in the past, are called simple past tense. I'm repeating, actions that happen before now, that is in the past, are called simple past tense. Question number 8, give an example of simple past tense. Priya danced very well. This is an example of simple past tense. Here we find danced is the verb of simple past tense. Number 9, tell the past tense form of these action words: cook, clap, plan, arrive, feed, buy. Here is our action words and here is our past form of these words. Cook, cooked. Clap, clapped. Plan, planned. Arrive, arrived. Feed, fed. Buy, bought. Say again: cook, cooked. Clap, clapped. Plan, planned. Arrive, arrived. Feed, fed. Buy, bought. Now question number 10, define question words. What, when, where, why, how, who are words which we use to ask questions are called question words. Such sentence end with a question mark. I'm repeating: what, when, where, why, how, who are words which we use to ask questions are called question words. Such sentence end with a question mark. Number 11, give an example of question words. What is your name? This is an example of question words. What is your name? We are asking question with this sentence. Number 12, what are the short forms of these words? I am, cannot, that is, they are. Here, these are full form and these are short form of these full forms. I am in short form am. I am. Cannot, can't. Cannot, can't. That is, that's. That is, that's. Next, they are. They are in short form they are. They are, they are. Okay, number 13, translate into English. The given sentence in Bangla is Podda ekti boro nodi. We have to translate this sentence in English. The Padma is a big river. The Padma is a big river. It means in Bangla, Podda ekti boro nodi. Number 14, translate into English. Gach amader chaya deয়. So the translation will be tree gives us shade. Again say with me. Tree gives us shade. Number 15, with which pronoun we use am. I'm repeating, with which pronoun we use am. We use am with I. I'm repeating again, we use am with I. Number 16, fill in the blanks. Number A, you gap late again. You have to choose word from am, is, are. So what will be in the gap? You am, you is, or you are. Yes, in the gap you have to say you are, because we know with the subject you we always have to use are if it is in present tense. So you are late again. Number B, they gap on holiday. And you have to choose from was or were as verb. So with they we have to use are because they are plural subject, and with plural subject we have to choose plural verb. Was is singular, so we can't choose this one. So definitely we have to say they were on holiday. Number 17, with which pronouns we use have verb. I'm repeating, with which pronouns we use have verb. We use have with I, you, we and they. The answer is we use have with I, you, we and they. Students, that's for our practicing oral sheet. Hope you have understood today's class. Please keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well, see you again, and till then, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.